2019 was an unforgettable year for Brazilians when it came to the dam break. The video of the exact moment the dam collapsed was shown. About 12 million cubic meters of waste were released and overflowed across the surrounding area. Big storms are always a concern for everyone. Even a sturdy restaurant couldn't withstand the water flow. A surveillance camera captured the shocking scene of a 2-meter diameter underground water pipe bursting near a water company. The Shenlong waterfall is a rare natural wonder. This majestic scene only appears a few times a year. This was the nightmare of sailors. No matter how skilled they were, they had to bow down to the waves. Before the unusually high tide, people living along the Ganges River were completely caught off guard. Oh my god! The apocalyptic scene in the sci-fi movies had a real-life version. The city of Miyako in Japan fell victim to a black tsunami in 2011.